In this video, I will be showing you how you can use your Android device as a second screen. For that, the process is very simple. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive right into the video. In order to do so, what you need is software named as Space Test. So go ahead and download it. So how you can download it, just go on your Google Chrome and search Space Test. Once you're on your main Google Chrome search engine, what you have to do is to simply click on the Space Test website by Datronic Soft. So this is the software and typical interface of their website. So what you have to do is to simply go ahead and download the driver for Windows 10 and 11 according to your Windows. So once you have downloaded the driver, simply install it. Go ahead and click on the bit version of your Windows. For me, it's Windows 10 64-bit, so I'm going to download it for 64 bits. So here you guys can see that the downloadation has been completed. I'm just simply going to click on it and run it. So here you guys can see that you will be able to see the IP network, wireless networks on the left hand side. So what you have to do is to connect your mobile phone with the same IP address, and after you have done that, what you have to do is to go ahead and click on that mobile network, and that way you will be able to use that mobile screen as your second screen. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.